Hi guys, Alpha Wolf here. So in my last video I talked about Opay, how Opay has saved me a lot of embarrassment and how their transaction process is very smooth, seamless and fast, and a lot of people have messaged me and they said, oh, that yeah, it's true, Opay is good, and some of them have been asking me about how they can create Opay account. And the funny thing is that I mentioned in that video that there's a way you can make 800 to like 8,000 plus, you know, in a week. You can even make that in a day using Opay, right? I made that statement and I said I can go on to teach people how to do it. So in today's video I'm going to teach you how to make from 800 and above using Opay. It is very simple. It's as simple as ABC. You just need to take like 2 steps. First, use the link in my description, create an account, and secondly, I'm going to show you step by step how this works. So let me head over to my mobile app and show you guys how this one works. It's very easy, right? Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, and share this video. Leave a comment, a thank you comment if you think this is very helpful and you benefit from this video. So let me show you guys how this one works. 800 to 10,000 naira using Opay. Let me give you guys a quick update. For those of you that have not made money online, you're welcome to the Alpha Wolf channel. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Now, this money you can see in my balance is the money I've made from referring people, right? It is totally free. You can make this money too on Opay. Opay is not just the best app for doing your transfer, your transaction. The beautiful thing is that they pay you for inviting people on the app, right? And if you are just creating your account for the first time, they will also give you money. So if you look at this place here, you're going to see refer and earn, and if you click on it, just follow me step by step. You're going to see that people are making money. Once this thing loads, this person just made 14,400 by referring 18 people. This person made 9,600 by referring 12 people. So the more people you refer on Opay, the more money you make, and the more money they also make. So this is what happens when you come to this place. You get 800 naira for everybody you refer, and your friends are going to get 1,200 naira, right? So if you create your account with my Opay referral, you are going to get 1,200 naira, and this is the invitation code. So if you download Opay app on Google Play Store, just follow me step by step. If you come to Google Play Store and you download Opay app, when you are filling your form, they will ask you for referral code. Just put this number. So just put this particular number there when they ask you for referral code, right? It is very simple. And if you create your account, you are going to get 1,200 naira as your welcome bonus for creating your account, and I'll also get money for referring you. This is the way you make money from Opay. And when you create your account, you are going to see your own invitation code. Invite your friends. Once they use that code and they create account, Opay will start paying you 800 naira for everybody you invite. So if you invite 10 people, you will get 8,000 naira live. It is true. A lot of people, you can see it in this top, are making money from this stuff, right? So the rule is very simple, right? The rule is simple. All you need to do is use my invitation code. That number I showed, I'm going to put the link in the description. If you go and download the app, put that in your referral code, or use the link I'm going to show you guys to create your Opay account. Once you register to Opay app with my invitation code, you are going to get 1,200 naira welcome bonus instantly, right? Yes, and you cannot deposit like 1,000 naira and start using the app. So once you deposit that 1,000 naira, it is your money. Nobody's going to touch that money. You will also now have your own invitation code, and once you invite your friend, Opay will start giving you 800 naira for every friend that use your own link to create account, just like the way you use my own. It is very simple. A lot of people are making money from this. For those of you that you have a lot of friends on WhatsApp, your family members, your relative, you can actually use this one to make money. Just refer and earn basically, and you can begin to make money. Look at it, people are benefiting from this stuff. If you are watching this video on TikTok, if you check the link in my description, you're going to see a link tree. I'm going to put a link to the Opay referral. You can use that to actually make your own money from Opay instantly and start making money from it. And if you're watching from my YouTube, check the link in my description and the link that is pinned in my comment section, so that you can also start making money through this Opay referral, right? This is the fastest way and the easiest way to make money without any stress. Once you create your account, just share your link to all your friends on WhatsApp, on Facebook, and anybody that create an account using your link, they're going to make money. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, turn my bell post notification on, so that when I drop interesting content, you will not miss out. Bye for now, and I hope to see you in my next video. Alpha Wolf signing out. If you have any question, please leave that in the comment section. I'm going to do well to answer all your questions, right?